Hi, this is Jen Miller. So if you've decided to change your grading scale to the 50 out of 100 scale as your option for this year, I'm just going to walk you through how to change your settings in less than 5 minutes so that those changes automatically happen for every grade that you put into your gradebook. So for the 50 to 100 scale, you're going to go to your course and then you're just going to click on grades. So when you're in grades, you're going to see your grade book here. I have a test student, and then you're going to see this setting. So click on your gear for your settings, and then you're going to see the late policies. So click the box that says automatically apply grade for missing submissions, and you're going to put in a 50% there, right? Because that's the 50 to 100 scale. And then in the second box, you're going to say automatically apply deduction to late submissions, and you're going to keep that at 0% per day. And the lowest possible grade percent that a student could get is at 50%. So that's the only two things that you need to do, and then you'll just click the update button and everything will go right where you need it to go. For me, I've already done this, so if we look at this gradebook, this test student did not submit this assignment. So even though they have a score of 10, this box is red, and that indicates that they are missing that assignment, so you can communicate that very clearly. And there's a visual signal to the student, parent, and to you that that is actually missing. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to your content manager and they can help you. Thanks.